Can we talk about 360 degrees as two facets? It's all about 60. This part of my body, when I turn around, no arms, no legs. When this side of the body turns around, I will grind my sex into the ground. But I must be on a certain angle for a male. Okay, for the female and the male, there's a certain angle to put the two pieces together. Besides, 360, I only need this body, 10-10. Why am I a 10-10? Well, square me off. 5 and 5 is 10. 5 and 5 below is 10. 10-10. 2 holes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 2. 1 in the face, 2 eyes, none behind. The mouth is a split asset. We split the nose right here. Right here. The mouth is split on 2 sides, and it is more prominent when you look at the cat. You can see the upper lip is split, but not the lower. The lower is whole. The upper comes in 2 parts. The eyes are divided, the ears are divided, the nose is divided, but the jaw is one. It is 360 degrees, forgetting what's over here. But when I open up my arms, I start on the outside of 20. If I start on the outside of 20 and I just go straight line, I take away 20 this way, I take away 20 that way. But the 20 that way is the 20 that I move. So instead of taking away 20 east-west, okay, I will take away 20 north-south. So instead of 20, it'll be 20 this way, all the way down, the complete diameter. 20 and across, that's 40. So if you're looking at 360, now you're looking at 320. Now, that's my phone ringing, and I can't answer it. So no matter who it is, I just won't answer it. I'm doing a video. If I lose my train of thought, and I always do, then where am I going? So now we have to understand it's 360 degrees because of this arm, and it's 360 degrees because of this arm. Where is it actually that it's a Y? At what position is it a Y? What can I actually do bringing my arms around? And I'm bringing them as low as I can go, and as I bring them up, my arms automatically spread out. I can't bring my arms back, and even if I did, I still have this over here. I don't have a straight lock on my arms. There is a natural curve. When you walk with your hand this way, your hand turns this way. What am I talking about? Let's talk about 3 times 60. 666 is all we need. First of all, it's one like this, boom, bang, to behind me and in front of me. I'm completing boom, bang, I'm splitting everything in half. But I count for 20 this way, and I count for 20 this way, and I count for 20 this way, and I count for 20 this way. That's 80. And in French, they go 80. How do they write it? 420. Becomes 426 because I am the 60. 20, 20, 20. 60 is the time. When we mark time, 6 becomes 7. Why does 6 become 7? Well, 6 becomes 7. Am I going to be buttered up and not figure out why 6 doesn't become 7? Is because every time you got 60 seconds, you add 1 minute. So 6 gets 1. Whoop. 6 gets 1. 6 gets 1. And that's all there is. There's no more than 6, but 6 meets at the halfway point. That means everything is 1.5 times whatever the value is. If this is 1 and this is 9, how do we come across here? We go across 2, right? And then down 6, 2 over, 1 plus 2, and 3 plus 6, 2 and 6. Venus comes together with Saturn. Pluto comes together with Uranus. 9 and 4, 4 and 9. Pluto comes together with Mars. 36, 360 degrees, going green. Now, let me take you to another level, but ask me the question. What is the question? I will make up an equivalent equation that will match the numbers that you need, and I know we will get a result because we always do. We're going to play until everything fits into the slots. So what if we have a remainder? Guess what? When you drill a hole into a piece of steel, you got all that remainder, right? What do we do? What do we do with the extra sand? Throw it to the bottom of the ocean. To the left side, to the bottom side, to the right, and to the above. Between the eyes, the kite, the diamond that we fly. Are we looking for a thyroid gland? Here's my neck. Here's my chest. The football, the lungs, the one. That's right. This is only a 1-cylinder car. Tung, 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 tung. It seems like all my designs seem to do this. right? Do we want to use the mouth here? Is this to the left? Is this to the right? Is this the fleur-de-lis? How can we actually do this, right? Can we do this as the fleur-de-lis? You know the fleur-de-lis of France, right? And I'm not sure what to do up the center over here. Here's one over here. Here's one over here. Here's the hat. I'm not sure what to do over here. How do we split that up? Green, red, blue, yellow, turquoise. Here, we'll do it with this one. We'll do this one in here. And we'll do this one in here. All right. So then we can say we have the left side, and then we have the right side. And then we have the one that owns two sides, shoulders turned in. Would we say this was the milking section if we desire? A place drop for the heart. There's a plane flying outside. There's more planes now and helicopters flying in our area than I've ever seen in the last 10 years. They wanted to shut